Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. So in this week's video, I'm gonna attempt to get the car running. The engine is all put together, and you're gonna see just in a second why it's not gonna run. Well, it runs rough. I think I got a couple sensors that are mixed up, so yeah, I have to go through there and check that. But anyways, it does in fact run. Smokes like a bitch, but that's coming out of the exhaust. It is unhooked down there if you can't see it. And then it's also coming out over right here. But yeah, we got a little bit over 40 pounds of pressure for fuel, which is good. I don't have the alternator hooked up. It's why I have the batteries on, or the jumper cables on, because I'm missing that pin. But I'm gonna go uptown and probably see if I can't find a universal one. And yeah, it runs. I think it'll run a little bit better when we have the air control sensor, whatever, that's in the cold air intake, when we have that plugged in. And then I got this plug right here, but I'm gonna guess that goes down to the knock sensor, which is right below the manifold. And that knock sensor one goes somewhere else. I just have to figure it out. Obviously, we have some vacuum leaks right here. I can't exactly remember what I did with the holes. And we have an oil leak right here because this valve cover gasket is off. So, also I painted an old valve cover to see what it looked like. It's not painted good, you know. I just sprayed over it. That's the old one, so I can clean that one up. But that'll work for now. I just gotta replace that gasket. See if it starts up one more time. Starts right up. Also, I have some shit to show you guys. I also went to the ghetto of Detroit, which I will show you a clip right now.
What are you doing?
This is the way we came. But I got some P28 ECUs. They are automatic, so I'm going to have to jump them to turn them into a manual, which honestly I have no idea how to do yet, but I will figure that out. But a good test that I kind of want to try is I want to get this car running right. And then I already have a jumper for OBD1 or 2 to OBD1, and I want to hook one of these up and just see if it will drive. Also, another thing. I was reading on some forums and stuff like that. A automatic ECU will work on a manual, except for it will just throw a code because it's looking for you to be in park. So, yeah, I mean, that's about it for right now. So, I'm going to go warm up because I'm cold. And think about maybe what I messed up. And, yeah, go from there. What's up, guys? It is early in the morning. It has been a couple days. So I got everything all put together, got coolant in, got oil in, car was running. I figured out my problems were just the vacuum leaks because I don't know, I overlooked it and I was in a hurry. I hope you guys didn't hear me, I was kind of covering up the mic. So we got a problem. And I was in such a hurry, put this engine in, just get my car back on the road. See if I can't get in there. You see anything missing? The guy I bought this engine off of told me it was 97,000 miles on it and it was good to go and stuff. Well, apparently he threw it together fast and forgot to put the head gasket on. So I started it. When I put coolant in it, exhaust started running out of coolant started running out of the exhaust, and it's all mixed in with my oil. And yeah, so we got to drain all that now and pull the head off, put a head gasket on. I didn't let it run long, you know. It was like flooded. It wouldn't even start, actually. It was just like flooding the engine. So hopefully, I don't know. We'll see. It's kind of a downer. I'm kind of pissed off. So right here is where I'm going to end this video, because I'm going to make another, I know, sorry. But I'm going to make another video on how to change a head gasket on a D16. And yeah, so I hope you guys check that out. Hope you guys sort of enjoyed this video. It's kind of a bummer. I don't know how long it's going to be. And very demotivating, but we got to get it done. I don't like my car sitting there. I don't like all my tools sitting on the ground. And should have done this in the shop.